The Blue Diamond Severe Duty Root Grapple, brush, logs, and more will have met their match. This severe duty grapple fits any skid steer or compact track loader that runs 50 horsepower or more. All Blue Diamond grapples are made with high quality steel and American components. This grapple will be your go-to tool to rip out roots, move brush, and haul logs away. The clamps open to 34 inches, and with a 35-inch deep base, you can take more in each load, dramatically increasing your productivity. The half-inch extra strong one-piece tines are robust and durable even when running against rough surfaces like concrete or rock. Confidently transport irregular shaped loads with the reinforced dual independent clamps. These clamps equalize pressure so you can clamp evenly across any load. And with extra thick 1 1/4 inch pivot pins in the bushings that include grease fittings, this root grapple powers through the toughest conditions with maximum durability. Your hoses are kept out of harm's way when working in severe conditions with hose routing that avoids pinch areas. Blue Diamond runs the hoses internally through the cylinder tower with a protective cover to make sure this grapple keeps going until you stop. Check out the full line of grapples at BlueDiamondAttachments.com.